Yeah. Yeah. So actually, I'm giving from the performance testing online course. Okay. In the performance testing, we have from the multiple tools in the market. So for that, we can learn from the load runner, and one more is the JMeter. So using these tools, we can do from the performance testing. So actually, why we are doing from the performance testing? Okay, so what happened? So for example, we have from the Facebook application will be there. Everyone will be know for the Facebook. We know, you know Facebook.
Yes.
So what will happen? Facebook day to day users are sign upping and they are doing from the like chatting and video uploading videos and everything they are doing. Then means what happened? Day to day users are increasing. What will happen if it is a users are increasing? Then what will happen means their application will be slow. Maybe their application might be crash also. It is happen. Not only Facebook. So any kind of web application we have from the Twitter, any bank application, right? So any kind of application, it will be like slow the application. Sometimes you can observe when you are opening from the Facebook or Twitter or anything. Hi Surya. Surya, are you there? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I can.
Yeah, hi Surya. Just now I started. Okay, thank you for joining. Okay. So, like I will give from the performance testing training. It's a online training. From this, we have from the tools will be there, load runner, JMeter, and using these tools, we can do from the perform testing. First of all, why we are doing from the performance testing? What is the use of this? So performance testing, nothing but so we have from the multiple web applications, banking applications, insurance application, healthcare applications. So what will happen? Banking application day to day new users are coming, like new accounts are opening, and they are doing from the bank transactions like withdraw, and they are requesting from the checkbook, and they are adding from the fund. So like that, everyone is doing. Then what will happen means their application will be slow. Because of that, what happened? Okay, actually, from the last year, their application used from the only 20,000 users. But this user, their application using from the 50,000 users. Then what will happen means they are tested, okay, 20,000. So 20,000 purpose is the fine. But suddenly we got from the 50 users, 50,000 users is loading. Then what will happen? Their application may be slow because actually it is a access only from 20,000 users. But now we are got from the 50,000 means it is a more users. When they are accessing to the application, their application will be slow. Because of that, not only from the each and every application, what are the applications will be there in our real time we are using e-commerce application, Amazon, Flipkart, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So each and every application users are keep on increasing. If not the test, what will happen means their application will be slow and sometimes will be crash also happen. See, for example, I give from the one example. So now we have from the Amazon Prime offer will be there. I think next this month 12th to some 14 something. Actually, we are thinking that they are not done from any perform testing. They are blindly coming to the with offers from that day. Then what will happen? Everyone will be going to the that Amazon application and everyone try to booking from the product. Then what happen? Actually, they have from the 1 lakh user capacity, but it is access from the more than 2 lakhs. Then what will happen? Their application will
Server
be
slow.
crash, right? Because actually it is a 1 lakh point of is fine, but it is a 2 lakhs user scheme. So then their application will be crash. So that is why we are unable to book the product. So these kind of issues happen. That is why before coming to the offers, okay, we are going to the prime offer from July month, some 12 to 14. So for as of now, this is the 1 lakh users load will be fine. you need to test with the more than 2 lakhs users. Will be fine or not our application. Please test and please let me know. Then we need to test with the 2 lakh users. Okay, when you are did from the 2 lakh users, so the test will be good, went good, and everything is good. Then we can tell to okay, your application up to 2 lakh is fine. Then you can go to the offers. Then after that they will go to the offer. Then what will happen means their application will be not cross, and as well as their transaction response time also is good. So that is why each and every application performance testing. Nowadays, any application, any kind of web application without performance testing, no one will be going to the live, nothing but production. So that is why as a performance test engineer, very important point from the when we are doing from the projects in the software industry. So one software application is developed, then manual tester or functional tester, they will test. And after that, finally, we need to test our application. Okay, this many number of users will be access or not. We are facing any kind of issues when we are executing from the multiple users. So we need to check. That things we can do in the perform testing. Going to the today is a just a demo class only. Okay, don't think more. So now we have from the load runner will be there. For example, I will give from the one application, one page store application will be there. So I will show from the manually also. So this is the some page store application, nothing but we need to book the pet. So this is the application. We need to test from the this is the application. So you are a performance test engineer and they are given from the this URL and these are the steps they told. Launch URL and after that you need to sign in and enter from the username and password and enter the password also and click from the login button. So you can observe your login is success. After login, what you can do, you want to book the any one of the pet. It is a fish or it is a dog or it is cat or birds. So I want to book the fish. Then I click from the fish. In the fish, we have from the different type of products will be there. So in that you need to select from the any one of these. And now this is the price of the fish. Okay, this is the product and you want to buy the means this is the price. So you can just click from the add to cart. So how we are booking from the Amazon also, right? We are selecting the product and we are adding the cart. After they add the cart, we need to pay the payment. Same thing here also we are doing. So click on the add to cart. And after that, we can see the how many quantity, like you want to 2 or 3, it is asked. So based on that, you need to give from the quantity. And after that, proceed to checkout. So we are added in the cart. Now it is asking to the payment details. Payment details. And this is the billing address because it will be delivered to from this address. So we need to provide from the, it is a card type and card number, expire date, and first name, last name, all details we need to give, click on continue. See, you can observe, please confirm the information. What are the details you are entered? Please confirm, it is asking. Okay, so everything is fine, then click on confirm. See, thank you, your order has been submitted. Actually, what is the my scenario for this means just book the pet and after that log out. So this scenario now using from the our load runner tool, how to we can record that and after record that, how to we can execute and how to will get the results we can see. Just it's a demo point of view. Okay. So now, so we have from the load runner, one of the like this is the one of this we use an okay one of the component from the load runner. Using this component, we can record the script. So just you can see here, once we can install the load runner software, already I told right here in the load runner software, we have from the software will be there. Once we can install, we are able to see from the these three. One is from the virtual user generator. Okay. One is from the controller and one is from the analysis. Okay. So these three we can see. So using from the what is the virtual generator means what is the scenario we are seeing? Now we are seeing from the what is the pet store. So pet store application, we are launching, logging, and we are pet booking, and we are payment and logout. So that scenario using from the virtual user generator, we can record. So that is why you need to open from the virtual user generator. So for here, already I open. Once we can open, we are able to see from this. Now you want to record means don't do anything. Just click from the this record button. Just click from the record button. And after that, start recording. And you can see here. Okay. Everyone able to hear, right? Hello. Surya and hello.
Yes.
Vinod. Yeah.
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah, please respond.
Yes, Kiran.
Do not respond, right? I will not, everyone will be there, not there. What you are doing also, I don't know. But now is fine because in the once we'll get the course, right? I will ask from the questions also. Then everyone will be okay, good. Then now you can observe I am recording from the web browser. Web browser nothing but what is the our web browsers? Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. So that is the we are selecting web browser. In that I selected from the Chrome. For here, this is the URL of the our application. Now which application we need to do? This is the our URL of the application. So if you enter this, it will open from the our URL. That is why we need to give from that URL in the URL address. And after that, just click from the start record button and click on S. And so when you are recording the script, we need to close from the all the browsers. That is why it is asking you want to close. Yes, okay. Then what happen means once we can click on from the OK button, then automatically it will be our browser will be open. See, you can observe this is the Chrome browser I selected. Automatically, what is the URL I given? That URL will be open. So you can observe here recording events and it is recording our script. So now I explain right business flow like what is the business flow I explain like launch application login right. Same thing we need to when you are recording the script same thing we need to perform from the here also. There is no difference. How you did from the like in the web browser, same way we need to do from the here also. Okay. So once open, it will be URL will be it will open from the same how we are web browser open, right? Same way we are able to see this. See, still it is loading nothing but your it is page is opening. Okay, we should wait from the until is our launch page is came. And you can observe one more thing here recording events. So these recording events it is increasing means okay in backend you are expecting from the something is going correct. If it is a stuck it is only two records happen means it is not recording any code in the backend. Now see you can observe we are launch this and just I am giving from the now I am doing login right just I am giving from the login. And after that, I will give from the username password. Okay. And click from the login button. And after that, login is completed. I am ending from the login. And after that, what I am doing, I am just clicking from the pet. Click on pet. And now I click from the pet. And after that, I will end the transaction. So I will explain from the what is the transaction and all. No worry. Okay. Now we are doing from the product, select product. Okay, I'm selecting the product. And after that, we are what we are doing, what steps we are performing, just I'm writing. Add to cart. And after that, you can click from the add to cart. And this is everything is coming to the add to cart only, right? Up to add to cart is completed. Next, what we are doing? We are doing from the payment. Okay, and continue. After that, enter the details, and we are doing from the confirm, right? So just click from the confirm button. See, thank you, your order been submitted. And after that, what we need to do, actually my scenario only up to pet booking only. It is completed. Finally, I want to log out. So I will give from the sign out or log out. Okay, log out. Then I am clicking from the sign out. So my steps, everything is completed. Then what we can do means we need to stop the record button. This is the stop record button. Just click from the stop record button. See, some code is generating. So you are not done from the any code written here, but automatically the code will came. You can observe. So here we can see this. This is the launch page. We are recorded launch page. And after that, what we did, we are done from the login. See, you can observe, I entered from the J2W. So I'm not written any code. Automatically the code is came. Actually, just I enter from the like username, password, and how we are opening from the Facebook and all right. Same thing is open, but automatically the code will be generated our tool only. And after that, I did from the selected product. And after that, payment, I did from the payment details. I enter Visa and credit card, all details. And finally, I did from the logout. See, logout. So everything is recorded. So like that,
Yes.
we need to record from the any kind of web application. Same way we can record. Understand? Hello? Vinod,
Yes,
Surya?
Kiran.
Yeah. So
Yeah, it's okay.
now thinking that, okay, we are recording is completed. Now script is completed. So today I will explain from the end-to-end testing. Script is ready. And the script name is a web-based HTML1 script. Now I want to this script run with the multiple user point of view. Before that, just you can run this. This is the reply button. Just reply it. See, you can runtime viewer, you can see how we are recorded same way it is happen. It's a launching application. See, it's launch, login, and you are booking from the pet, and it is a logout. So your script will be pass. One script is ready. This is the I executed only one user, one time only I executed. But actual what is the perform testing? We need to execute with the multiple users. 5 or 10, 50, 100, 1 lakh based on from the application capacity, we need to execute from that many users. So using from the virtual user generator, just we can use from the scripting point of only. But I want to from the multiple users execution means using from the controller. We need to open from the, this is the controller. Just click on that. It will open from the one more component is the controller. See, this is the controller. So it is opening. See, you can observe load runner controller. Now you can observe. So here, what are the scripts you are already developed? All scripts will be displayed here. Here, just now we did from this is the our script name. It will be there. You can directly select. If it is not there, we click on from the add button and you can add it. We need to add in the script scenario. We need to add this script, and after that, just click from the OK button. Okay, I will explain just now only just observe from the demo how we are doing from the end-to-end performance testing. That's it. Now you can observe this is the script, this is the location, quantity nothing but one user now. So, but I want to execute from the more users means here start users will be there. If you click here and we need to give from the number of users. For example, I will give from the 10 users. Okay. Okay, so just you can observe here. Here, how much you are seeing? 10 users. And duration, nothing but how much duration you want to execute this test. 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Just I'm giving from the only like 2 minutes of execution. Now we don't have much time, right? So I will explain from later everything. Okay. So now designing the scenario. Okay, now I design from the 10 users. So 10 users will be run from the 2 minutes test. So for here in the design phase, we are designing. Run phase, you can go to the run phase. And after that, you can observe 10 users we are executing. And here you can see here start scenario. If you click start scenario, your execution will be start. So you can observe start scenario. See, you can observe 2 users is running. If you open this also, we can see from the how users will be. Like if now we are is 4 numbers will be there. How it is we are opening from the everyone is a different screens. Same way every user will be open from the different screens. So you can observe. See if you see here. See, total 10 users running, and this is the elapsed time, nothing but what is the time we are started. It is count with the 1 second, 2 second, up to 39 seconds happen. And total, how many transactions pass? Transactions, nothing but login, launch, login, product ID, payment, logout, the transactions. And if there is any fail, we can see from the fail. Any errors, we can see from the errors. Okay, so what is the duration we are given? Until that duration it will execute from the test. If you give from the 1 hour test, actually we are performing from the load test or some kind of test 1 hour. So in the 1 hour, what you can do means just you can check from the this window only. Okay, we are getting from the past transaction, we are getting from the any errors, any failed transactions happening or not, we need to check until from the 1 hour. Okay, so all users will be running nothing but what they are doing. Everyone is launch, login, pet booking and log out again, launch, login, again pet booking. So it will happen from the until 2 minutes of the duration. Actually, I given from the 2 minutes, right? In the 2 minutes duration, it will execute from the like this. So until we should wait from the our test will be complete. So once it is completed, all users will coming to the stop here. Then our execution will be completed. We'll know. Okay. So every like two users will be stopped from the at a time. It will not stop because in this design, if you see here, I given from the design every 2 users will be up. After that, execute from the 2 minutes and down from the every 2 users. See, now downfall is started. If you see here, users will be down. Means stopped. Okay. See, two users will be coming and all users will be down status to up to from the 10 users will be stop means then our step we can see here stop automatically it will stop. No need to stop from the manually. When we stop from the manually means for example you are observe you are getting from the many errors, many transactions are failing. If you run the test, it is invalid. Then we need to stop the test. What is the error you need to identify and we need to do from the modification in the script. See, 6 users will be stopped.
Can I have a small doubt? Can I?
Yeah, yes, please.
ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఎర్రర్స్ వస్తాయన్న కంటిన్యూస్ గా అది మనం మాడిఫై చేయాలా, డెవలప్మెంట్ టీం మాడిఫై చేస్తుందా?
ఆ ఎర్రర్స్ అనేది మన స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎర్రర్స్ అయితే మనం స్క్రిప్ట్ లో మాడిఫై చేయాలి. ఓకే, లేదా ఏమైనా ఎర్రర్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 500 ఎర్రర్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసావు, దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంటర్నల్ సర్వర్ ఎర్రర్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఓపెన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద browser also you are getting from the for example launch only you are doing. If you click on this you have got from in this space 500 error. So that error is belongs to the development side issue. So you need to inform to the in the launch page, we are getting from the 500 internal server error. Please look it and fix that issue. Once they will fix, again we can do from the execution. See, now execution is completed with the 10 users. Now, just what we did, we are record the script. After that, that script we are pushed in the controller, executed with the 10 users. And now final step, what we can do means, we need to analyze the results. So here, click on the results, click on the analyze results. If you click on this, one more component, that is the analyzer, our load runner component, load runner analysis, one more component. So here what we can do means, just we want to see from the results only, nothing. So we should wait from the until the results will be load. Okay, we should wait from the until 100% of the loading the results, because results will be loading. What is the execution we are performed, that will be loading. We should wait from the until complete from that. See, still loading. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me, no problem. Just it's the results loading, right? That should be fine. So if you are unable to ask from the English, right, you can ask Telugu also, no problem. So anything is fine. Okay. See, its results will be loading. See, all results will be. We can see from the everything with the graphical oriented and everything. So you can observe this is the summary report. It is open in the analysis one more component. For here you can observe this is the test time I executed, like 8:33 I executed. Total duration it is executed 4 minutes 24 seconds. And if you see here, major thing what we can see means, okay, maximum users we are executed 10 users. And actually what is the major important thing means, so these are the transaction names, like what we are doing from the what we are doing first will be launch the application and log in and click on pet, add to cart, payment and log out. So these transactions we need to observe from the this average response time. It is a more than 2 seconds or not, more than 3 seconds, based on from the company standards. Okay, some application will be 2 seconds, some application will be 3 seconds also will be there. That is, we can call it as a SLA. That is a banking application will be there. They are having from the 2 second response. Means it should be within 2 seconds, it should be respond. If not, what we can do means we need to check from the what is the issue. So it is a completely not completed. We'll wait from here also generated from the complete data. Now it is a loading from data. Just what is the our major job means. Now what we did, we are done from the launch and login. And after that, what we did, add select in the product, select product. And after that, add to cart, and what we did, payment and logout. So now this transaction actually client is given from the, it is not happen from the more than 2 seconds if you execute it from the number of users, multiple user time. So that we need check from the analyzer. Using this, we need check from the here. Okay, any one of the transaction, login, payment, click on bet. So this will be more than 2 seconds or not, we need to check. See, you can observe average. Average means 10 users average time. We can call it as a response time. Response time nothing but what is the request you are entering, that request is going to the server and send response to for us. That is the response time. So you can observe this add to cart 0.3 only. Click on pet 0.4. Login is a 1.107. Logout 0.44. Payment 0.635 seconds. Product 0.19 seconds. Means all the transactions should be less than 2 seconds. Means your results will be good. If your results will be good, what we can do? Just we need to send this report to the client or stakeholders or is a team lead. Okay, you can send to like this. I executed with the 10 users pest store application. So please find the report. You need to send this transaction response time report. Then your job will be done. Otherwise, if you observe this payment is taken from the 4 second, you are observed. Then our job will be there because client will be not accept. Actually, they are expecting from the within 2 seconds only, but it is happen from the 4 seconds. Then what we can do? We need to check with the what is the issue, why this payment happened from the 4 second. So because of the many reasons. One of the reason CPU memory and memory. So CPU memory. So CPU memory. You see, if you observe here, we have for task manager. In the more details in the performance, you can see CPU now is a 39% and 40. Memory will be we have available 53% is completed. Now we have from the still 47. So means what happened if you open from the in this system anything, any URL or anything you are doing from the here, that should be fine. Otherwise CPU 100, memory 100. If you doing from anything, what will happen? Your page is loading happen. So then your response time will be 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds also happen. So because of that issue also your transaction response time will be high. So during the test we should monitor from the CPU memory also. It is crossing from the more than 80% or not, we need to check. Along with this we need check from the okay CPU and network also. Network nothing but we are doing using from the internet. So if your internet is good, then each and every application we can open very easy and it will open from the very fast. But our network already we are utilized from the in the 4 GB we are already used from the 3.8. Then what happen when you are browsing? It is browsing happen. The transaction it will take from the high response time. So because of these issues, maybe our transaction response will be high. Then we are not resolved. You are identified CPU memory. Then we have from the infrastructure team will be there. Could you please increase from the CPU memory? Because is a 10 user perspective, this is not sufficient. Network team. We are observed from the some network latency. Because of the network latency, we are seeing from the response time will be. Could you please resolve? Once they will resolve, then again what we can do? Again we need to do from the one more execution. This is only our job as a performance test engineer. So do you have any doubts regarding this today class? Just this is the demo class only. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me, no problem. I am free to answer. Okay. Surya, Vinod, Rashekar.
No doubts. Okay.
Surya, okay, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Rashekar,
okay.
Vinod.
ఓకేనా ఇప్పుడు
Yeah.
మనకి 2 seconds కన్నా ఎక్కువ వచ్చింది. ఓకేనా
Uh,
మాక్సిమం యావరేజ్ టైం 2 seconds కన్నా ఎక్కువ వచ్చింది. అప్పుడు కోడింగ్ మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలంటారా?
మనం కోడింగ్
టెస్టింగ్ అది
చేయొద్దు. మనం ఏం చెప్పినా ఇప్పుడు CPU మెమరీ ఉంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కి CPU అనేది ఆల్రెడీ 80% నువ్వు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసావు.
మొత్తం సిపియు నెట్వర్క్ మొత్తం బాగానే ఉంది. ఓకేనా?
CPU
ఆల్ ఆర్
మెమరీ
గుడ్.
మొత్తం
బట్ 2
బాగున్నా
seconds
కూడా
కన్నా
మనం
ఎక్కువ.
ఏం చేస్తామంటే కోడ్ లెవెల్ మనం ఎక్కడ చేయము. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే
అప్లికేషన్ సైడ్ మనకి హీప్ డంప్, థ్రెడ్ డంప్ అని ఉంటాయి. అవి
ఓకే
తీసుకొని కోడ్ లెవెల్లో ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది అనేది మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి డెవలప్మెంట్ టీంకి పంపిస్తే వాళ్ళు చెక్ చేసి వాళ్ళు రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తారు. మనం ఏంటంటే
ఓకే ఓకే
ఐడెంటిఫై చేయటమే రూట్ కాస్ ఏంటిది అనేది.
ఓకే ఓకే
అప్పుడు రూట్ కాస్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేసింది ఆ పర్టికులర్ టీమ్కి నువ్వు అసైన్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు ఫిక్స్ చేస్తే మనం అగైన్ మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ చేసి మళ్ళీ రెస్పాన్స్ టైం అనేది యావరేజ్ రెస్పాన్స్ టైం అనేది విత్ ఇన్ 2 సెకండ్ వచ్చిందా లేదా అని మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి.
ఓకే
అదే మన జాబ్.
ఓకే సార్.
Surya Vinod, do you have any doubts? From the less than
No,
1 minute
no.
time. So I think we are good now. Okay. We'll connect from the tomorrow also same time and we'll continue from the tomorrow onwards regular classes. Sorry, Vinod. Vinod, your voice is breaking. Vinod, you can call me.